Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Indianola, local and long distance movers near me. If you're planning a long distance move to Indianola, hiring a professional moving company like 3 Movers is crucial for a stress free and successful experience. By enlisting our help, you can relax and let us take care of everything. Contact 3 Movers today to ensure a successful and hassle free long distance move. For several reasons, you can trust 3 Movers to take care of your relocation. One of them is that our transportation services are fast. You'll need to hire 3 Movers for our swift long-distance relocation needs. We have the experience to move your belongings at a swift pace. We always start by creating a moving plan which includes your budget and estimates for your move. Then we'll work with you to provide a timeline and work with our long-distance move. We also have a vast network of resources, including multiple vehicles and trained personnel, which enables them to move your belongings faster and safer than you could on your own. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Indianola moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.